When both of my kids moved out, I honestly was completely lost. For years, being their mom was my whole purpose, and suddenly the house is quiet. Until I realized it's my turn now to rediscover what brings me joy. If you're feeling that emptiness too, stick around. I want to share with you what helped me find meaning and excitement again after 50. Do you find yourself in this place of, who am I? What am I doing? For so long, we can't wait to be a mom, because I knew I wanted to be a mom. Have you found you're not sure which direction to go, what your purpose is now going to be in your late 50s, which is so hard to believe, right? Doesn't it feel weird when you say it? I'm going to be 59 next month. How? Now, I definitely missed a lot of years to sickness. I'm much better now and able to do things, and have been making videos for YouTube, which I really enjoy. And I love helping people. When they were both out of the house and I had that first taste of both of them not living here, I found it very, very emotionally difficult, especially because I didn't know what my purpose is going to be anymore, because everything revolved around them. You know, starting my YouTube channel really changed so many things for me. It wasn't just about a career. It was more about finding something that I would be super aligned with, so that when I do it, it feels enriching, fulfilling. It feels good to do, and I look forward to it. So when I wake up at 4:30 in the morning for menopausal night drenches, I don't know if you're familiar with them. It's kind of like you wake up and it's like you just took a shower, but you don't smell like you just took a shower, but you have to get up and get in the shower. Those have been going on for a long time. And yes, I have started HRT, hormone replacement therapy. So I've been on like the increased dose for about 2 months. And then before that, for a little while, I can't remember offhand, because I had surgery around there. I broke my neck. And before that, I was on like a starting dose. But I'm taking the hormone replacement, so I don't know if you're experiencing any menopausal related symptoms, but if you are, I see you. It sucks, I know. And I think the hormone replacement therapy is helping with emotional, like with my feelings. I think it's making me feel a little stronger that way, if that makes sense. Helps me see things more clearly for some reason. Or maybe that's just me. I don't know. But for so long, I was stuck sick upstairs in bed. So it's kind of like a whole new world being, downstairs. I'm still not driving, and I'm not out and about like I used to be. I was out every day. Now I'm home every day, and I love it. But no matter what you decide you want to do, I really encourage you to choose something that's going to be something you wake up and you can't wait to get the hell downstairs to get started. That's what it should feel like. And if it doesn't feel like that, go to the next one. I'm telling you. People say this all the time. It's going to sound cliche, but life is short. 1 week my dad was here celebrating the holidays with the kids, and they gave him mugs, #1 grandpa, that they got at their school secret shop. And 1 week later from that day, I got a call that he passed. Just like that. Yes, it's hard. It's hard figuring this shit out, isn't it? My main point is, think about what you enjoy. Think about what you're good at. What do people say to you? You know, I love asking you about interior design because you're so good at it. You have such a good eye. You know, or if someone says, I love the way you write. You have such beautiful writing. What is it that people have always said to you, complimented you about? Because that's your clue. That's the sauce. That's your secret sauce, my friend. No one else has that recipe except you. That's right. And people want to know that recipe. People need that recipe. It's up to you if you want to share it with others. And when you share it, you actually get this feeling back that is priceless. Hearing someone else feel so good because of something that you showed them or you taught them. I mean, there's no better joy than knowing that you just made someone's life better. And by sharing what you love could be your answer for where to at least start, right? And maybe look at it, I like this, look at it like an experiment. So that way you don't feel like you're making this decision and it has to be forever. Like when we were graduating high school and it was like,
where are you going to school? I don't know. Where are you going to school? Where are you going to school? What's your major? What's your major?
I'm not even 18 yet. How do we know what we want to do? Oh, and by the way, it's the most expensive thing you've ever had to buy in your life. Yeah. And so on and so on. This is our turn to now concentrate on what we want to do and what makes us happy. Because when we're happy, we give that feeling off to everyone else. Your homework is to think about where you want to start. This is not a decision for the next 4 years or 2 or for your life. It's time to make a promise to you that we're going to focus on ourselves and what makes us happy, and also can help others, because that's part of the cycle. That's how it works. That's how we help each other and grow and learn, by offering our gift and then feeling that positive feedback about it and the way we helped that person or people, and then just growing from there. If you already know where you're going to start, could you let me know in the comments below? I'd love to hear. I love reading your comments and writing back. And I'm sure other people that write what they're going to start with, they'd love to see what you wrote. And until then, my friend, you have a beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Take good care.